To enable extended thinking in Claude AI, I'll show you exactly where to find it and how to turn it on. This is useful when I want Claude to spend more time reasoning through more difficult questions. First, I'm on the main Claude chat screen. Before I turn anything on, I'll click the model selector in the chat interface so I can check which model I'm using. From the dropdown, I need to make sure I've selected a Claude 4 model because extended thinking is available there. Once that's selected, I'll move to the lower left area of the chat window and click the Search and Tools button. This opens the tool options for the current chat. Inside that panel, I'll look for the extended thinking toggle. When I see it, I'll switch it on. As soon as I enable it, Claude is ready to use extended thinking for that conversation. One important thing to keep in mind is that if I started chatting without extended thinking and then turn it on, Claude starts a new chat. So if you don't want to lose the flow of your current conversation, it's a good idea to enable it before sending your next prompt. Now I'll type in a more complex question or task, something like coding problem, a math question, or a detailed analysis request. When Claude begins working, I'll see a thinking indicator with a timer, and there will also be an expandable thinking section above the response. If I click that section, I can view a summary of how Claude approached the problem. If I ever want to go back to normal chat mode, I just click Search and Tools again and turn extended thinking off. That lets me switch back when I'm doing something simpler and don't need the extra reasoning time. And that's it. Extended thinking is now enabled in Claude AI, and I can use it whenever I want more in-depth reasoning for tougher tasks. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick Claude AI tutorials.